Hi, are you tired of spending lakhs of rupees on network equipment like servers, switches, and workstations? At Saudewala, you don't have to worry about this at all because here you get reviewed servers with branded specifications and 1 year warranty at just 90% of the cost. So to know more, you just have to visit our website saudewala.in or contact the number below to get the best possible quotation to get better savings for your business, and you can use that capital to fund your business. Don't wait now, just contact us. And best specification, and what's more is that you get a variety of range with the graphic servers, with AI ready servers, and with the workstation CPU loaded servers. So you don't have to worry about any of these varieties at all. To get the best prices, you just have to reach out us on the website or reach out us on the number below.